And welcome back to this week's edition of Friday 5 here at White Island Volkswagen. I do believe we've made the turn into summer with the recent weather, so that's always a great sign. You know, we're all still here. We still have plenty of cars. We're getting inventory as the day goes on. So please come see us. Myself and any of my associates are happy to show you any of these cars. This week I do have a lineup of pretty much all cars you haven't seen before, so should be interesting. I know you guys are excited, so without further ado, let's get into these cars. First up, we have a 2021 Jeep Renegade. Only 4,400 miles on this car. It's got a backup camera, great drivetrain with the 4x4. You have Apple CarPlay, lots of safety features, spacious trunk, dual zone climate controls, retailing for $20,895. And now we have a 2020 Chevrolet Colorado pickup truck. It's got 50,000 miles on there. It's got a V6 engine, so plenty of power. You've got heated seats, you've got power seats, Apple CarPlay. It is a crew cab, as you can see, so you can fit plenty of people. It's got great bed space back there. It's also got towing capabilities. This car is so recent, we have not put a price on it, so please call for pricing. Up next, we have a 2021 Toyota Corolla LE. 59,000 miles. It's got a black interior to go along with those black accents on the outside of the car. Great gas mileage, probably the best gas mileage we'll see all day at 30 and 38 miles per gallon. It's got all kinds of safety features, keyless entry, Apple CarPlay. It's got a parking camera and a one-owner vehicle, retailing for $17,900. Here comes the Volkswagen. This one is a 2019 Volkswagen Atlas SE with technology. It's got 64,600 miles on there. This one does have a V6 engine, so you will not be lacking any power. It's all-wheel drive. It's got a third row for all the big families. Tons of safety features, heated seats, heated mirrors, dual zone climate controls, retailing for $24,500. And last but most definitely not least, we just got this car in. It is a 2015 Chevrolet Camaro 1LT. 53,000 miles. It's got a great comfortable interior in there. You're gonna have plenty of space in those first two seats. It's got Sirius XM capabilities, Bluetooth capabilities. It's got a 3.6 liter V6 engine, so you're gonna have plenty of horsepower. Very fun to drive. It does have that power sunroof up there, as you can see, retailing for $18,745. As always, thank you guys very much for watching this week's edition of Friday 5 here at White Island Volkswagen. As I said earlier in the video, I think we have turned the corner with the weather, so don't miss your chance to come see us. We do have plenty of cars. As we enter into May, we're gonna have all kinds of new specials, new manager specials on used cars, new deals through Volkswagen, so come check us out, get more info. Myself and any of my associates are happy to help you guys. And as always, we'll see you next week.